Hello children, today we are going to study the poem Our Classroom by Betsy Franco. Okay, so children, this poem is about imagination. See, you are at home since so many months, okay, and so I think you must be missing your school, your classroom, right? So many things are there in your classroom. Do you remember? Chair, tables, teacher's desk, then a board, then there's a board on which pictures are pasted with the help of board pins. So many toolbox are there in which nails and all are kept, with which we stick the means pictures on the board. Then chalk box, so many things are there, right? So this poem is about the classroom and the things that are in the classroom. And as I said that this poem is about imagination. You all like to do imagination, right? So here the poet is imagining the classroom alive. Imagine what would happen if the classroom becomes alive like we are. And why the poet is imagining the classroom alive? Because he imagines that she imagines that the things which are present in the classroom, they all have the similar parts like the human beings have. Okay, the poet is comparing the objects in the classroom to human beings, because there is a lot of similarity in human beings, the parts which human beings possess and the parts which these non-living objects possess. So it is a very funny kind of thing. So let's read the poem and let's see how the poet compares. So first I'll read out the poem. Our Classroom by Betsy Franco. The chair has arms, the clock a face. The kites have long and twirly tails. The tacks have heads, the books have spines. The toolbox has a set of nails. Our shoes have tongues, the marbles eyes. The wooden desk has legs and seat. The cups have lips. My watch has hands. The classroom rulers all have feet. Heads, arms, hands, nails. Spines, legs, feet, trails. Face, lips, tongues, eyes. What a surprise! Is a classroom alive? So it's funny, comparing the non-living things with living beings. So let's see. First is the chair has arms. So children, the chair on which we sit, it has got armrest. Like we have this arms, right? And we put our arms on the armrest which the chair has. So that is the arm of the chair. So now you see the chair which is present in the class, that also have arms, and we also have arms. This is one similarity. Then the clock has a face. We have a face, and the clock also have a face, right? You can see it looks like it has and the hands are there, the clock hands are there, and it looks like it is a mouth of the clock. So it on the whole it gives the appearance of a face, human face. So this is another similarity. The kites have long and twirly tails. So kites can be used in classroom for decoration and all, right? So the kites, you must have seen kites, patang, that have at the back, the twirly means curly, okay, coiled kind of. So tails it has, when you fly, it has got the coiled curly tails. So it is also comparing animals have tails, right? So another again similarity between non-living and living beings. The tacks have heads. Tacks means, children, pins. You remember the pins with which we paste the picture on the board. That pin has at the top there is a round flat head, right? So these tacks mean these pins also have head and we also have head. This is again similarity. The books have spines. Spines means, children, backbone. We have at the back, we have a backbone, right? And with the backbone, the help of this, we can just turn here, we can, bend, you can bend backwards. Similarly, if you see this book, children, so this part is it is talking about spine, okay? Let's see here, this one is the spine. So we also have spine and books also have spines. Another similarity. The toolbox has a set of nails. Toolbox means in the box in which, you know, nails, hammers, these things are kept now. So in classroom also we have got that kind of toolbox in which we keep nails and all, to use it to stick pictures and all. So nails are there na? In Hindi we call it keel, right? So in English we say it nails. So that toolbox has nails, and we also have nails in our fingers. So this is yet another similarity. Our shoes have tongues, the marble's eyes. Now our shoes, you know, the tongue, it is calling the part, the flat, projection that is present in the shoes, just below the shoelace. Okay, and that you pull it out and then tie the shoelace. You got it? So that is known as tongue. So we also have tongue, and the shoes also have tongue. This is another similarity. Funny, no? The marble's eyes. Marbles we keep in the class to play and all. So that is compared to our eyes. The wooden desk has legs and seat. Now wooden desk, the teacher desk is there, even your desks are there. It has got four legs, no? So they are known as legs. So we have legs. That desk also has legs. And seat. Seat means the part of the on the chair where you sit. Okay, and the seat, human body, is the part of the human body which you keep it on the chair to sit. So that is talked about as seat. The cups have lips because we take the cup and we drink. So that the part of the cup which we use to, where we put our lips to sip, that part is compared to lips. My watch has hands. Now watch, we all know that it has got a minute hand, an hour hand. It has got no. So watch also has hands, and we also have hands. The classroom rulers all have feet. Now we have got feet, right? 2 feet we have got, right? And the rulers, children, a feet is also means the unit of measuring length. Okay, we say now 1 feet, this book is of this much feet, this distance is of 2 feet, 3 feet, like we say. So feet is also used as a unit of measuring length, and that is present in ruler only. So the ruler has feet, and we also have feet. So this is also another similarity. So many similarities we have seen, right, in between the objects which are in the class and the living beings, be it human being or animal, like tails and all it is talking about. So heads, arms, hands, nails, spines, legs, feet, tails, face, lips, tongue, eyes, all are the similar things, means we also have, and the object in a classroom also have the same things. So this is so wonderful thing. It is a surprise that is a classroom alive. So the speaker wonders that is our classroom alive, because it is filled with all the things that have the human parts. Okay. So children, this is the imagination. This is a very wonderful imagination of the poet, that how it brings our classroom alive. Now when you'll go back to your classroom and when you'll see the things around you, you will wonder that how these things, and we have the similar parts. So I hope you have understood this poem, children, and I want you all to learn this poem, and also you will learn the word meanings which are present at the back of the poem. Okay, thank you.